Getting nervous now.
Michael G and Sarah have a whole lot going on, but not a lot of time.
Okay, this is burning. This is burning.
The mirepoix burnt.
They might have taken on too much.
We scour the country in order to pair each of you with someone who knows your cooking style inside and out. Please help us welcome your families and loved ones.
Oh my God. I see my wife, and I'm so happy. We've been together since we were kids. She's the most supportive person. I'm so fortunate to have her.
It's amazing seeing my dad in the MasterChef Canada kitchen. It doesn't feel real.
Seeing my sister, it means a lot. When we were young, my older brother got in a car accident, so my parents had to really focus in on him. My sister and I, we became more independent. Yeah. But if you went through all of that and you're still a family, nothing can tear you apart.
I love you.
I'm very fortunate to have Navdeep. He's the most loving and supporting and encouraging person anybody could ever have in their life.
I can't believe that I have my sister here. Sarah loves life, and she's taught me to love life through food. I'm excited. This is cool.
Home cooks, can't wait to meet your loved ones. Nav, how does it feel to see Nadia after all this time?
It feels like an eternity has gone by, but well worth it.
Nadia, is he gonna be okay with you bossing him around a little bit today?
Yeah.
She can boss me around any day.
Michael G, you're very choked up right now.
Yeah, I get to have my coach, my sister Sarah. She's my biggest supporter and inspiration.
So Sarah, when did you realize that Michael G was a really talented cook?
He's kind of that geeky guy who just loves math. But when I started to see his passion and his ability to just bring people together with food, that's when I knew he has to be a chef.
So, Andy, who is that lovely woman in your arms?
Chefs, I'd like to introduce you to my beautiful wife, my best friend, and my baby mama. This is Jess.
Jessica, have you been missing Andy?
So much. We miss him so much. We're so proud of him.
So, Chris, Becky works with you in your tiling business, is that right?
Yeah, she's my helper.
If Becky wanted to pursue cooking, would you support that?
Absolutely. This is what she wants to do. She was always going to do this.
So Eugene, are you inspired having Edith here?
I'm not sure if inspired's the right word. I haven't seen her cook recently, and the last time I did, it was not that successful.
I'm not as bad as he says.
You know, it's one thing to cook for your family, but it's a whole different thing to cook with your family.
I can't believe you're here.
I can't believe I'm here either.
They're working with the same ingredients that they used the first day in this kitchen.
I'm really excited to see the evolution of these home cooks.
I want to show Jess how my knife skills have improved.
Andy, those look beautiful.
You only have 40 minutes to reduce that.
Baby, we need to start peeling the potatoes right away.
Do we have a peeler?
Yeah.
My strategy is to listen to whatever Nadia says.
That's enough, babe. I need you to cut this up now for me. Just cut the florets off of it.
No questions.
I am making a stuffed chicken supreme with portobello mushrooms. Oh my God.
What?
Move. These are all gonna cook at different times because they're all in different sizes. It's already stressful being in this kitchen, and now I have Nav here. Just take a deep breath. We're okay. We're good. Keep going. He doesn't cook, but he does take me out to lots of nice dinners. Sorry, babe.
No. Don't be sorry. You're the boss today.
I supreme grapefruits. That's a new thing I do these days.
Ooh.
It's either me or my dad who does all the cooking at home. I'm gonna do a chicken roulade, beetroots 2 ways, roasted butternut squash puree. I'm gonna do the chicken. He's gonna do kind of the vegetables and the jus.
Look at her. Look at her go. She moves like a chef these days. She's just a little baby, but she's all doing all this stuff. It's amazing. Unbelievably proud.
Don't stop.
Oh, sorry. Unbelievably proud.
Okay, onion's done.
Peel some celery.
Is that just for fun, or?
Takes the fibers out of it. My signature ingredient is the pork shoulder butt. We're going to be making a braised pork shoulder and lamb shank ravioli with a tomato basil sauce. I am being very ambitious with this dish, but I've got someone with me that I trust and that can handle this.
Just what you want?
Yeah, we're gonna crush this together.
How you feeling?
Good. You?
Good.
Hi there, Jessica.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So how long has Andy been trying to impress you with his cooking?
Andy and I have been together for almost 16 years, since we were only 15 years old.
Once I realized that cooking could impress her, I started really pouring it on.
It works, doesn't it?
It really does.
So what are your plans today?
Citrus coconut ceviche. Use the beautiful sea scallops, and Jess actually has a cracker built on top of that to play with some texture. And then we're gonna have some height and some beautiful colors with the salad on top of it.
I'll let you both carry on because I can see you got a lot to get done. Good luck.
Thank you, chef. Beautiful.
10 minutes! You have 10 more minutes left. 10 minutes!
Are you gonna start stuffing? You've got 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. There's no time. And Sarah and I still have to make and cook the ravioli, finish off blitzing the sauce, and bring the entire plate together.
Getting nervous now.
Michael G and Sarah have a whole lot going on, but not a lot of time.
Okay, this is burning. This is burning.
The mirepoix is burnt.
They might have taken on too much.
I don't want to blow it in front of my sister.
I'll do the carrots and the celery. Get rid of it.
Then immediately I just said, let's start again.
I could use Sarah at my side every time I'm in the kitchen.
Do you want to taste this puree? Does it taste nice?
I like it. You know what, Jess? I think this is done.
I think so, too.
She nailed it.
It's a bit bland.
More salt.
Yeah.
It's nice to get a second opinion on your seasoning. Salt or anything, do you think?
No, I don't think so.
It's coming together really well. Like, I knew he was gonna do good.
Maybe put some chives in there, too.
No.
1 minute! You have 1 more minute left. Come on. Get everything on the plate. 1 minute.
That looks nice. That looks nice. Beautiful.
What else do you need me to do?
The caviar on the chip. Can you spread the caviar on?
I mean, it looks beautiful. You should be proud.
You should be proud.
There's a lot of teamwork happening in this kitchen right now. It's a beautiful thing to watch.
Fast, fast, fast,
I'm
fast,
trying. I don't want to.
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop!
I love you.
I love you so much.
Andy and Jessica.
It's such a cool moment to be able to carry this dish up with Jess. To share this with her is amazing. So it's a citrus and coconut ceviche on a bed of dragon fruit, and then Jess tackled a pistachio coconut cracker.
Terrific. So you had to reinterpret your East Coast scallops. This is a great little dish. I love the flavors. There's a good amount of acidity there. I think some of that shaved raw coconut in there would have been a nice little touch. It would have added another dimension to it. But I love the colors, love the texture of the pomegranate. Great dish. Congratulations to both of you.
Thanks, Jess.
So I like the fact that you have this wonderful crispy component here. Is this your first time making a cracker?
It is.
Really? Wow. Great flavors. Very punchy, great citrus, great pop from the chili. Overall, I think it's a really wonderful dish. I think you were trying to really show off for Jessica. And by the look on her face, I think you've succeeded.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Will do. Thanks, chef. To share this moment with my best friend is so awesome.
The second dish we'd like to see was made by a team that never lost sight of who's the boss in the kitchen. Becky and Chris, please bring up your dish.
Red up chicken, roulade, beetroot 2 ways, roasted butternut squash puree.
Wow, this is beautiful. I see real artistry. But you know what is king?
Dave.
This works beautifully. The crispy kale with beetroot, the mushroom, beautiful combination, beautiful texture. Outstanding dish, great teamwork.
Thank you.
Not only does it taste great, but you have used the beet in different ways to showcase your key ingredient. Who made the jus?
He did.
You did. That's wonderful. It is rounded, flavorful, has a little sweetness to it. It is the kind of classic chicken jus that you'd expect from a fine French bistro.
Oh, thank you.
Putting out a dish like this, It's pretty impressive. Is she this good as a tile setter's assistant?
No, she's not going to make it as a tile guy, that's for sure.
Do you want her back helping you or in the kitchen? Which one is more important to you?
More important that she keeps cooking, definitely.
Well done.
Thank you.
Okay. Seeing the way Becky is in the MasterChef kitchen, she seems at home here. She's found her people.
The final dish was made by a team who harnessed the power of two to formulate a stunning dish. Come on. Michael G. and Sarah.
Yes. Top 3 with my sister. I'm so happy. Here you have braised pork and lamb ravioli with a classic basil tomato sauce, grilled cauliflower, and cherry heirloom tomatoes.
The dish looks really interesting to me. It's inviting, it's colorful, I can see there's lots of texture. 3 oversized raviolis, I love that. It's a wonderful ravioli. I love the flavors of the braised meats inside. The cheese, the pasta is beautifully rolled. Great effort.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chef.
Sauce, it's very nice. Pork, lamb, I like that combination. The cauliflower, I love the way you did it. Very nice.
Today is my proudest moment of being on this journey, that I got to really show my family what I can do.
There was one dish and one team that stood out from the rest. This duo created a truly restaurant-quality dish, and they looked perfectly at home the whole time. Congratulations, Becky and Chris.
This is my first win in a mystery box. I'm sharing the victory with my dad, and it feels pretty cool that he gets to experience it too.